after with some caution. Yeah, that boy is fresh. She like water like so. Let me check my taste. Yes, I like women, I like sex. Yes, I'm a ass up for Sunday.
What? Good Tiger gang. It's your boy Zoe, and I'm back in this hole once again. And today we got a very special video, man. Now, I am here, man. We are doing something very different today. Now, in my personal life, I am currently in technical college right now, technical school. And I am about to get my certifications for computer systems and information technology. So clap it up, everybody! Clap it up! 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 Yeah, I'm currently doing that on my day-to-day basis. So I'm trying to like learn new things and get better tactics and stuff. But besides all that, I've always been like, I'm not a fast typer. Like like I type slow. I feel like I type slow, but I really type normal speed, but I just feel like I type slow compared to like normal people I be seeing typing fast and shit. So today what I want to do is a typing test. Now I'm high. It's the weekend, my nigga. It's the weekend. I had to come on, bruh. Let a nigga live. Let a nigga live. Just a little. It's a teeny weeny bit. But yeah. We are about to do this test. Now, I do have a green screen, but I don't have the stand, so yeah. But we about to take a typing test, my nigga. We about to take a typing test, bro. I ain't never did this before in my life. I felt like this would be funny as hell because y'all about to see me typing like on some bullshit. And I'm probably finna be typing dumb as hell. But yeah, if you're new here, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell, and join the gang. Taka TV. It's spooky season, so you can really never expect what I'm gonna post, to be honest. So yeah, we about to take this typing test. Let's get into it, man. If you're new here, like the video, subscribe to the channel. All right. All right, let's do this 5-minute test first. Oh. Well, I feel like I'm doing pretty good. Hold on. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, I'm tripping. What am I doing? All right, fuck it. Fuck. Like, I got no type of like rhythm when I type. I never put a period. Bro, what is this story that I am writing or typing? What is this even about? Okay, this music is really throwing me. This music is throwing me. No, it's dead trolling me. Hold on, I'm cooking. Every time I say something, I start fucking up. This music is throwing me. Yo! Okay, I can't. This music is genuinely throwing me. Stop. No. No, but how do I turn it off? Nah, panicking. No. Alright, bro. This shit is actually trolling me, my nigga. I can't do it. Alright, let's go. Let's go Naruto filler music. I can't even type on here. Y'all know what song I'm talking about. It's the one in the city. Afternoon in Kona. Alright, y'all ready? Let's go. Bruh. Ah. Damn it. I couldn't have timed that better. I'm not gonna lie. It ended soon as the test ended. Alright, so your speed was a 23 WPM with a 96 accuracy. That's really not that bad, right? I don't really know how like to judge this, but I feel like that was not that bad. Hold on, let's do another one. I'm gonna try to do the 1 minute test, or let me see if there's another like medium text. Oh, this one got yeah, this is what we need right here. This is what we need right here. We need this right here. Oh, let's play my song. Let's play my song. Play my song on repeat. What am I doing? No, I went to the wrong shit. See, this is why I don't like doing shit high, bro. This is exactly why, bro. This is exactly why, bro. No. I'm cooked. I am cooked. Hey. Alright, let's go.
She fucking with me. I'm fucking with her. She fuck with the gang. I'm buying her purses. I'm buying these verses. She is her, but she's still a person. That pussy so tight like damn. I swear that girl, she a virgin. I'm never in last. I'm fucking that gas, yeah. That bitch, she my past. I'm doing that dash, yeah. I'm dressing all black. I'm flexing
In
her
the
bag.
bag.
That bitch, she got ass. I'm toting this mag. I'm smoking this gas. Like I'm finna blast off.
Yo, this is hard.
Okay. I ran it up, I ran it. 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 I ran it up. Big body truck. I'm my game, we finna pull up. I got a 9. See me, I'm keeping it tucked. I'm from the rock where niggas get gritty and take off your top.
What's my results, bro? 95 accuracy. So the other one was 96 and the other one was 23, I think. 23 WPM typing speed and 1 typo. I feel like this is actually not even bad, but I feel like I might just be thinking too hard, you know? Let me do another one and let's see. No, I want to do another one on, what you call it? Tricky spelling. Yes, I want to do another one on tricky spelling. And we may start the video over. All right, let's go. I saw that girl, she a virgin. All right, this should be all right. Mary. Oh my gosh. A whole debacle in school. Her neglig. What is a quaint? When niggas get gritty and take off your top. Not on the butt, but I'm fetching clear and I'm taking your thought. Ooh, baby. What's up? I can't fuck with you. Cause you be in love. Girl, that ain't enough. Girl, I want your trust. Is we finna fuck? Girl, that was just lust. In this bitch, cool going super fast. Call me late, just like Buzz. Can't fuck with you, no, cause baby girl, you was a dub. Goopy thing, and she got a good headshot away. I'm finna bust. Got a tat on her as it says so she feeling to get crushed. I was really sliding on this, but 100%, 0 typos. My typing speed is getting faster, as you can see. It started at a 24, then it went to a 23. Now I'm at a 27. So that means I might be getting better. This might be a good thing to do. This might be like educational, possibly. What y'all think? Y'all think this is educational? Could this help me in life? I think so, maybe. What if I'm in a rush and I gotta type something up? Or if there's a deadline coming up because I procrastinate on some bullshit and I need to type faster. Wait, I'm still slow though. Wait. This says I'm slow. What? The average typist is a 36? Nigga, are you telling me I'm typing that slow, bruh? Maybe it's the music. All right, no music this time. No music, bruh. No music. Nigga, there's no way I'm typing at a 27. How is niggas typing this fast? How are people typing this fast, bro? Somebody please explain to me how people typing this fast. All right, let me retake this up. Maybe let me do a normal. Let me do a medium to see if it's just me. A medium 1 minute. Cougars. Oh. Carts. Know a thing about those. Damn it. Oh yeah. I'm typing slow as hell. But it low-key sound like I'm typing fast, so like I could really get a pass because it sound like I'm really typing for real, like I'm typing an essay or something. It really don't though. Like I sound like a child on a keyboard. Oh yeah, I'm just ass. Yeah, I'm ass. With touch typing, your typing speed could be 85% faster. Nigga, what is touch typing? What is touch typing? So the fastest I can go is a 27, is what you're telling me. And average typist is at a 36. So you're telling me I'm typing that slow. All right, hold on. Let me go one more time. It's actually me. All right, let's go. And oh, they using numbers now? Whoa. They ain't use no numbers on me this whole time. Oh nah, the rights to most of the Marvel characters. However, they only no. I sold anyway. I knew I was bruh. Yo, all right, my shit glitched, bro. My shit glitched, bro. That shit don't count. That don't count, bro. That don't count, bro. Show my results. This whole time I didn't have my glasses on. Wait, hold on. This the reason. This might be the actual reason. Hold on. One more try. Yeah, one more try. Hold on. That's this the real reason. Hold on. Figured it out, y'all. Figured it out. We figured it out, man. We figured it out. All right. My All right, we figured it out, man. Let's do this again. In 1883, the immortal jellyfish. Yo, what is this John talking about, bruh? Like, actually, okay, I don't, yeah, I'm fried. Yeah, I'm out of here. Oh, brother. Yeah, I'm ass. Yeah, I'm ass. I feel like that was kind of fast, though. That was a little quick. Okay, never mind. Yeah. I got nothing, actually. I got no excuse anymore. I think I'm just... You know, I'm passing, though. I'm passing. I got a 94 and shit. I got a 94, so... I got a 94 in this course, so I'm learning. I'm doing my thing, man. Just because I'm not the fastest type in the world don't mean I still can't do you right, do you justice. I can build you a PC right now if I wanted to, nigga. So, don't be talking shit about me, bro. I'm trying. I'm getting better. But yeah, I'm out of here, bro. If y'all enjoyed this, y'all let me know in the comments. I will do other stuff like this because, you know, I'm just a very curious, creative person. So, but yeah, I'm out of here, man. Zochi, I'm out. Tiger Gang. We go.